Hi, my name is Nick.
And I'm Noah.
All right, today we're diving into how to talk confidently in everyday English.
Yeah, we're gonna make it super chill and practical for real life.
Dude, imagine you're walking into a busy New York cafe, right?
No way. I can see it. People chatting, coffee machines steaming, that smell of fresh bagels.
Exactly. And suddenly you gotta order your coffee, ask a question, or just make small talk, and you feel your heart racing a little.
Totally, that's for real. And today, we're gonna show you how to handle that with confidence.
So let me ask you, have you ever frozen when trying to say something simple in English?
Oh yeah, dude, for real. I once stood in line at Starbucks and my brain just went blank.
Exactly. And the cool thing is, that happens to everyone. But there are tricks to stay calm and sound confident no matter what.
All right, let's start with something small but powerful. When you walk into a place like that cafe, posture matters.
Totally. Stand tall, shoulders back, smile a little. Even before you speak, you're already sending a confident vibe.
And here's a micro challenge for our listeners. Repeat after me. Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Yeah, say it with a smile in your voice. Let's try it together.
Now, let's make it more natural. After your coffee order, you might want to chat a little, like asking, hey, is it busy today? Or which bagel do you recommend?
And don't worry about messing up. People usually love it when you try. It's all about energy, not perfection.
Here's a fun mini story. Last week, I walked into that same cafe and I wanted to ask the barista about a new seasonal drink.
Oh, I know where this is going.
Yeah, I started saying, hi, can and then I stopped thinking I sounded silly. But then I remembered, just speak slowly and clearly. So I said, hi, can I try the pumpkin spice latte? And boom, they smiled and answered like a pro.
That's awesome. The trick here is all about pausing and breathing. Let's try a little pronunciation practice. Say, I would like a latte, please, with me.
Yeah, make it smooth and friendly. I would like a latte, please. Feel the rhythm of the words.
And hey, quick listening check. What would you say if the barista asks, do you want it hot or iced? Repeat after us.
Hot, please.
Or, iced, please. Simple, right?
All right, now let's add a tiny role play. Imagine I'm the barista.
Okay, I'm the customer. Hi, can I get a caramel macchiato?
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please. Thanks.
Perfect. That's legit how easy it can be once you get the hang of it.
And here's a curiosity hook for real. Did you know that smiling while you speak can actually make your English sound clearer and friendlier?
No way. That's awesome. Just by smiling, your voice changes and people respond more positively.
Okay, quick mini quiz. What's the confident way to ask for directions in a cafe? Should you say, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, could you tell me where the bathroom is, please?
Totally. Pick number 2. Polite, clear, confident. All right, last retention hook for today. Imagine this. You just nailed your order, smiled, and chatted a bit.
Yeah, you leave the cafe feeling like, hey, I can do this.
And that's exactly the mindset we're training here. Little wins that build real confidence in English, step by step.
So, listeners, take a deep breath next time you enter a busy place. Stand tall, smile, speak slowly, and don't overthink.
Totally. You've got this. And remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear, friendly, and human.
Okay, dude, that's a lot for today's cafe adventure.
Yeah, but it's just the beginning. Wait until we add more real-life English scenarios later. It's gonna get pretty cool.
All right, let's wrap up this first part by remembering the secret. Small steps, simple phrases, clear voice, and friendly energy.
Exactly. And hey, here's a tiny challenge for listeners. Try ordering your coffee tomorrow using at least one new phrase you learned today.
Can't wait to hear how it goes. Keep practicing and you'll feel way more confident in no time.
Totally. And remember, it's fun, it's real, and you're improving every single time you try.
Totally, dude. Remember that little cafe challenge? I tried it yesterday, and man, it felt kind of awesome.
No way! Tell me what happened.
So I walked in, stood tall, smiled, and ordered just like we practiced. Hi, can I get a vanilla latte, please? And the barista actually smiled back and said, Of course.
That's awesome! See, it's not about perfect grammar, it's about confidence.
Exactly. And here's a funny thing. After I got my coffee, I noticed this guy struggling to ask for a sandwich. I went over and said, Hey, do you want me to help you? And he nodded.
Dude, that's super friendly.
Yeah, and I just said, You can ask like this. Hi, could I have a turkey sandwich, please? And boom, he said it and felt way better.
That's exactly what confidence does. It's contagious. Let's do a little repeat after me for our listeners.
Yeah, fill in the blank with anything. Coffee, sandwich, bagel, whatever. Say it aloud, friendly, and calm.
Okay, here's a curiosity hook. Did you know in New York, people often use small talk while waiting in line? It's like a mini social test. You can say, crazy weather today, huh? Or, that line's pretty long, right?
Totally. And the key is to keep it natural, like you're just noticing something, not overthinking.
Another micro challenge, next time you're in line somewhere, try one friendly comment to the person next to you. Just one. That builds real life English confidence fast.
Yeah, and speaking of real-life confidence, body language is huge. Stand tall, make eye contact, smile. You don't have to be perfect, just relaxed.
Absolutely. And tone matters too. If you sound too rushed, people might not understand. So slow down a bit, like we're doing now.
Right, let's do a quick pronunciation drill. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest subway station is?
Perfect. Say it like you mean it, with a smile. It feels weird at first, but it works.
And here's a mini story. Yesterday, after the cafe, I went to a bookstore. I wanted to ask about a book, but my brain froze.
Oh no, what did you do?
I remembered our tip. Pause, smile, speak slowly. I said, Hi, can you tell me if you have this book? And the clerk smiled and said, Yes, it's right over here.
That's awesome. The pause and friendly energy made all the difference.
Exactly. And for our listeners, here's a micro quiz. What's the confident way to ask for help in a store? Is it, Where is the book? Hi, could you please tell me where the book is?
Totally pick number two. Clear, polite, and confident.
All right, let's add a tiny role play. Imagine I'm the clerk.
Okay, I'm the customer. Hi, could you tell me where the history books are?
Sure, they're in aisle 3.
Thanks so much.
Perfect. See, just small, simple phrases make you sound calm and confident.
And here's a curiosity hook. Did you know practicing these tiny conversations in your head actually trains your brain? By imagining them, you feel less nervous in real life.
Totally. And one more tip. After any small interaction, even if it's just ordering coffee, give yourself a little mental high five.
Yeah, celebrate the win. Confidence grows one small moment at a time.
And hey, here's another real-life challenge. Talk to someone new today, even for one sentence. It can be a cashier, barista, or neighbor.
Exactly. Start tiny. Hi, how's it going? Or good morning. Simple phrases, but they build real confidence.
And remember, listeners, slow, clear speech makes a huge difference. Even native speakers pause, so don't rush.
Totally. Your goal is clarity, friendliness, and calm energy. That's the secret.
Yeah, and the cool thing is, after a few tries, your brain stops overthinking and it just flows naturally.
For real, it becomes almost automatic. That's the magic of practice.
All right, that's a solid 500-word session of real-life English practice.
Yeah, keep trying little interactions and confidence will grow like crazy.
Small steps, big impact, dude.
Totally. Just speak, smile, and enjoy the process.
That's it. You're already improving with every phrase you say.
And the best part? Every tiny win builds your confidence for the next conversation.
Keep practicing, and you'll see the difference fast.
Yeah, stay chill, friendly, and clear. You've got this.
Exactly. And every day is a chance to try one small challenge.
Totally. That's how real progress happens.
All right, let's keep it going.
For real, keep speaking and having fun with it.
You got this, dude.
Yeah, just keep rolling with it.
Totally, dude. After those tiny wins, I felt way more confident yesterday.
No way. Tell me what happened next.
So, I was walking down the street and I saw this food truck I hadn't tried before. I wanted to ask about the menu, but my stomach was kind of growling.
Oh man, I know that feeling.
Yeah, so I remembered our tips: stand tall, smile, speak slowly. I said, "Hi, can you tell me what's good today?" And the vendor started explaining everything.
That's awesome. Just asking one question opens the whole conversation.
Totally. And here's a fun retention hook. While he talked, I practiced saying the dishes out loud. Repeat after me. "I'll try the tacos, please."
Perfect. Even if you mess up a word, people usually get it. The key is confidence and friendliness.
Exactly. And then the vendor asked, "Do you want extra sauce?" I said, "Yes, please," and smiled. Simple phrases, big impact.
That's legit. And here's a curiosity hook. Did you know smiling while speaking can actually help you pronounce words better?
No way, really?
Totally. Your mouth opens naturally, your tone sounds clearer, and people respond positively.
Dude, I gotta remember that for phone calls too. They always sound trickier than face-to-face.
Yeah, and here's a mini challenge for listeners. Next time you order food or a drink, add a smile and one friendly question. Hi, how's your day going? Simple, right?
Totally. And another tip, if someone asks you a question you don't understand, it's okay to say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
For real, that shows politeness and confidence, not weakness.
Exactly. And even small compliments work, like, "Wow, that smells amazing," or "Your hat is cool." Makes the conversation friendly and fun.
All right, time for a quick role play. I'm the vendor, you're the customer. Hi, what's good today?
"I'll try the tacos, please. How spicy are they?"
They're medium, perfect for most people.
"Awesome. I'll take them, thanks."
Perfect. See? Small sentences, friendly tone, confidence. It works every time.
And here's a micro quiz. What's the confident way to ask about a menu item? Is it, "Give me the tacos?" Or, "Hi, can I try the tacos, please?"
Totally. Number 2, polite and clear.
Yeah, and after this, I felt way more relaxed. Every tiny interaction counts toward confidence.
For real, keep practicing small moments and speaking English becomes natural.
Totally. Just one phrase at a time, one smile at a time.
Exactly, dude. Confidence grows step by step.
And that's how a simple food truck visit turned into legit English practice.
Yeah, every real life moment is a chance to learn and improve.
Keep it friendly, clear, and relaxed.
Totally. Small wins lead to big progress.
All right, dude, let's keep practicing every day.
For real, you've got this.
Yeah, keep speaking and smiling.
Exactly. It's fun and it works.
Little steps, big confidence.
Totally. Keep rolling with it.
Totally, dude. After that food truck practice, I felt unstoppable.
No way. Tell me what happened next.
So I went to a local park, and there were people walking their dogs. I wanted to ask about a dog breed, but my hands were kind of sweaty.
Oh man, I get you. Dogs make conversations fun, but tricky.
Exactly. So I remembered our tips: smile, slow speech, relaxed posture. I said, "Hi, that's a cute dog. What breed is it?"
That's awesome. Short, friendly, clear.
Yeah, and the owner said, "Thanks, he's a golden retriever." Then I added, "Wow, he looks so happy," and they smiled back.
That's legit. Small compliments make conversations feel easy and natural.
Totally. And here's a micro challenge for listeners. Next time you see a pet, try one friendly question. "Hi, what's your dog's name?" Simple, right?
Yeah, and here's a pronunciation drill. Repeat after me. Your dog is adorable. Say it slowly with a smile.
Exactly. And if someone asks something you don't understand, just say, "Can you say that again, please?" Shows confidence, not weakness.
Totally. And every tiny interaction builds real-life English skills.
Yep, even short sentences like "thanks" or "that's awesome" make a difference.
All right, mini role play. I'm the dog owner, you're the visitor. Hi, what breed is your dog?
He's a golden retriever, so friendly.
Totally, I love golden retrievers.
See? Short, confident, friendly sentences work every time.
And here's a curiosity hook. Speaking slowly and smiling actually makes your English sound clearer to everyone.
Totally. And don't forget to celebrate small wins. Even one friendly sentence a day adds up.
For real, little steps, big confidence.
All right, that's it for today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, every interaction is a chance to grow.
Yeah, if you liked this, hit subscribe, comment your hardest conversation, and check out our next video for more real-life English practice.
Totally. Keep speaking, smiling, and leveling up your English every day.
You got this.